In this video, I'm going to show you how to send photos in messages on iPhone. So first you want to open up Photos and let's say that you want to share this image. Click on the bottom left, click on Messages and then type to whoever you want to share it to. And now this image will be shared. But if you want to share it straightly from the Messages app, here's what you need to do. So click on this app logo and click on the first thing, Photos, and basically it will load up all of the photos from here. You can choose them, click on Add at the top right and then click Send, and then they will be sent even with the live photo if it's of course turned on your iPhone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.